In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new moon beauty mask. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and that way you'll never miss out. Actually click the little bell, that way you never miss out on another video that I upload. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new moon beauty ritual that I like to do, and it's basically a new moon beauty mask, and it's a beauty mask that is very special and appropriate to do on the new moon, just because of the benefits of every single ingredient and everything that we want to invite in the coming month. Before we get started, I do want to tell you guys that if you guys end up doing this face mask, make sure that you're wearing something that you're okay with getting stained, because one of the ingredients in this face mask will definitely stain your clothes if it gets on it, so keep that in mind. And another quick announcement is I have a few more labradorite chokers up on my website right now, and I also have my cleansing sprays up and ready, restocked for you guys today. So head on to my store if you guys are interested in purchasing those. But without further ado, let's get started with our new moon beauty ritual. So here's what you're going to be needing for the face mask. You're going to be needing turmeric, and this is our main ingredient. Basically, you're just going to need about a teaspoon full of turmeric. That's all you're going to need. This is optional. I have dried rose petals in here, and we're going to get into all the spiritual benefits of each ingredient as well as the skin benefits of each ingredient later on in the video. You're also going to need some milk. You're going to need some honey, and you're gonna need some ground cinnamon. So let's go ahead and start mixing everything together. Okay, so starting off, you're gonna want to pour your turmeric into a little bowl. Now, everything that we're doing tonight, this is the night of the full moon, so everything we want to set an intention for every ingredient. So turmeric, we want to run our hands over it and put some energy into it. This is for glowing skin. This is to attract abundance and blessings for the rest of the month. Next, we have some ground up cinnamon, and this is for attracting things faster to us. Whatever we want, whatever manifestation we want to come to us, to come faster. And we're just infusing all of these ingredients with our intention, and then we're going to infuse our own energy, our own skin with that intention. Next, I'm going to be taking just a little bit of honey, and honey is amazing for your skin. It's also a very, very powerful herb in sweetening things up, to sweeten up your life, to sweeten up your manifestations, and to sweeten up your energy. And this is totally optional, but I like to use a rose petal, and I like to crumble it up into little pieces. And rose petals are very, very good for your skin. Roses in general are extremely beneficial for so many things for your skin, and also roses lift your vibration, so we want to make sure that our vibration is nice and lifted and high and good energy for the rest of the month. And last, we want to add in our milk. Now, you want to add in the milk little by little because we want to make it into a paste. And the significance of milk is, first of all, it's amazing for your skin. Cleopatra, the Queen of Egypt, used to bathe in milk. That's why her skin was always so nice and glowy. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit at a time just to make a nice consistency. And while you're stirring, you kind of just want to make sure that you're thinking about all the things you want to manifest. You know, you want good energy for the rest of the month. You want abundance and blessings showering into your life for the rest of the month. You want high vibrations. You want your manifestations to come to you in happy, harmonious, beautiful, loving ways. And that's it. Basically, our mask is done and ready to use. So starting off, I'm just going to start to apply this onto my face with my fingers. Turmeric is actually one of the best herbs you can use for your skin. In Indian weddings, a paste of turmeric is made and then applied to the bride and the groom before the wedding. This brings abundance and blessings. It also brightens your skin and gives you a beautiful natural glow. It's also very, very exfoliating, and it takes off dry, dead, and dull skin. And that's why on the day of the wedding, the bride and groom look so beautiful. It has a lot of purifying and a lot of cleansing energies. And so that's what we're doing today on the night of the new moon. We're just inviting that energy into our life. We're kind of just anointing our body and our skin with purifying and cleansing energies with this turmeric. Turmeric is also very calming for stress, anxiety, and worry. And it helps to get rid of pimples and scars and dark spots and uneven skin tone. Now, the milk in this mask is moisturizing, it provides gentle exfoliation, and it is great for oily skin. And also, Cleopatra, the Queen of Egypt, took baths in milk to keep her skin beautiful. It's also a very powerful symbol of luxury. So we're inviting that energy of luxury into our life as well. Cinnamon is a powerful herb for attraction. So not only does it exfoliate your skin as well as the milk and the turmeric, but it's also very gentle exfoliation, and it also brings in your manifestations faster. Honey is a sweetening agent, and like I said, honey is to invite sweet energy into our life and to make sure that the rest of our month goes by in a sweet way. We're gonna leave this mask on for about 30 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it hardens, and then we're gonna wash it off. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so after about 30 minutes, this is what your face should look like. Everything should have been nice and hard. Your face will feel a little bit stiff, and right as you apply the mask, when you leave it on for that 30 minutes, there's this really nice cooling sensation. And it feels really, really good. So now I'm ready to wash it off. I'm gonna wash this off and come back and then show you guys the results. Okay, so I'm back and I just washed my face. It took 2 washes to get all the turmeric off, and my face feels really, really soft. It feels really smooth. It feels like a layer of skin just came off, like dead skin, dry skin. It all came off, and my skin feels baby soft. And also, I wanna talk about my energy too. I feel lighter, I feel uplifted, and I feel like I'm in a good positive energy, and I feel like it's all of the ingredients and the intentions that we put into our face mask. So all of that not only affects our skin, but it affects our energy too. And the fact that we're doing it on the new moon, we're inviting that energy onto ourself, our body, our life, our skin for the rest of the month. So if you guys do end up trying this face mask at home, please leave me a comment down below and let me know how you liked it, how it went, and how you felt afterwards too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys want more full moon and new moon type of rituals, leave me comments down below and I can work on those for you, because there's a bunch that I do that I would love to share with you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.